mabigat na sitwasyon, first thing that we need to do is we need to go to God. Remember who God is. Hang in there.
Philippians 4:6, you do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God, and the peace of God will transcend all understandings with your heart and in your mind in Christ Jesus.
Hindi naman nawawala yung hard times, pero yun nga, knowing that God is in you and loves your family, protects you, ang thinking ko naman is always, besides lilipas din, basta ako surrender ko agad kay God yun, in prayer.
Actually, yung tough times namin ni Commander, no, nung nag-start kami, talagang, di ba, yung trabaho namin nun talagang walang-wala. Tapos, yun nga, yung nakuha sa tiyaga, tapos yung nag-clean kami kay Lord. Nabigay, sunod-sunod na yung,
Para sa situation ng buhay natin, lahat naman tayo bago tayo naging Christian, naging bondage tayo ng kasalanan. Noon alam natin na kasalanan yun, pero hindi natin pinapansin. Kasi, enslaved tayo nung time na yun eh. Unlike ngayon, maliit na bagay, malaking bagay, alam na natin, kasalanan yan. And then alam natin, pag may nangyayaring hindi maganda sa buhay natin, gaano man kapangit yung dumating sa buhay natin, alam natin na yun ay part ng purification at part ng proseso ng Diyos para isaayos tayo.
Sanctify naman.